Okay. Right for good. Why are there no other cars on this road? Okay, should be. Pay more attention. No. Hey, chill. Chill. Chill, man. Chill, man. Chill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Crazy driver. That has to be a driver, right? No, he's not even honking. That's the scary thing. Should we pull into the gas station? Yeah, alright, no, never mind. He doesn't want gas.